In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the All Parties Hurriyat Conference senior leader Ghulam Ahmed Gulzar has said they're frustrated by the great resistance shown by the Kashmiris for their inalienable right to self-determination. India is subjecting them to atrocious vengeance. Ghulam Ahmed Gulzar, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said the people of Jammu and Kashmir will never allow the RSS-backed Modi regime to impose its devilish Hindutva agenda in the occupied territory. He stressed that despite killing, torture, random arrest, demolition of properties, imposition of inhuman taxes and molestation of women, the day is now far when India will be forced to quit Jammu and Kashmir as a result of Kashmiris' uncompromising stand. Thousands of Jammu and Kashmir Services Selection Board aspirants took out a candle march in Jammu city against New Delhi for awarding the contract to a blacklisted Indian company, Aptech, to conduct examinations in the territory. Raising slogans against the Indian authorities, the protesters demanded the withdrawal of the move, which they said was aimed to recruit Hindutva-minded people to advance the BJP's agenda in the territory. National Conference President Farooq Abdullah and People's Democratic Party Chief Mehbooba Mufti, among others, participated in the candle march. The owner of Sealed English newspaper in Kashmir, Anuradha Behsan, has said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi's repressive media policies are destroying Kashmiri journalism, intimidating media outlets into serving as government mouthpieces and creating an information vacuum in the occupied territory. Anuradha Behsan, executive editor of the Kashmir Times, in an opinion piece published in the New York Times, wrote that India has descended into authoritarianism where Modi's final assault on press freedom has begun. She feared that the entire India might end up looking a lot like Kashmir.